Here is the central tower with on the side. It will be built horizontally on the ground. The most important part of the structure is this 12-sided shape here. It's pictured to scale at 250mm by 250mm solid wood. If the engineers decide that it needs to be made out of steel, I have a few designs for that. So basically we'll have this structure built first, then we'll put these horizontal poles, bolt them to here, and then they'll be reinforced to these bottom poles. These are a scale at about 300mm across. Now I will need some help working out how to hold those poles in place before we, as we're bolting and constructing that. Maybe we use a front end loader, maybe we build some sort of structure over the top here and hang them with a block and tackle. Maybe we need to build some sort of jig to hold the weight. These would be about half a ton, so that's a bit of a serious thing we need to work out. Okay, this structure here, the star, this is designed to reinforce the inward pressure that these side poles are going to exert onto this 12-sided shape. They are designed to stop the basic structure crushing in on itself. The other role that this plays is also we'll put a flat board on top of that, so that will work as a worker's platform for such jobs as like putting these side things on, etc. The other role that will take is that this will also allow a place for us to load wood up for the burn ceremony. So we've got a lot of fuel at the top of the structure, so when we get flames coming up. We also have the reinforcement here. These things here, that's just simply to stop the structure twisting, the pressure and breaking. I've left these two clear. This one's for the altar, the other side's for the to access the actual potbelly stove. This top bit here is aesthetics. This central pole will be part of the effects, which I'll talk to about in the burn ceremony. So this entire top spire and all the burn effects will be ready and in place while on a horizontal construct. Once we've built that, then it gets craned up to the side. Then what we'll be looking at doing is putting some of these poles through here, like so. What that will do is reinforce the weight to stop this tipping when we're then attaching these poles via crane. Okay, now we have the central tower vertical and the wooden poles attached. So they'd be craned up and attached at these points, and then a V shape cut into the bottom before they're put up, and then car axled in the same way as large scale tents are put up. Depending on the engineers, we may also, in the central tower, put a diagonal massive hole through these beams and also put in car axles. The construction of the cladding will be done on the ground level. So this whole section here, for example, will be built and then lifted up into place. That removes workers having to work at height, but also allows a lot more workers to be working at one time due to high restrictions with scissor lifts or whatever. This sort of area is ground level, so it can be worked on at ground level.